Minimalist bag. I love Minimalist. I'm going to prime lashes and oh my god. Can you see? Wow. SP 115. Okay. Oh, it smells like chocolate. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Swarupaaaa. I'm a fashion, lifestyle, beauty, travel content creator on Instagram and YouTube. In today's video, we are going to continue the series I started in my last video, which was unboxing brand packages, because a few weeks ago I went to Flipkart Glam Up event and I received a lot of products, and this is the second part in which we are going to continue the unboxing. If you haven't checked out the first episode, I will mention the video in my description and you can check that. I'm very excited to show the unboxing because today we are going to do the beauty part also. The last video was mostly about the skincare, but today there's beauty plus skincare, so I'm pretty excited, and let's start with the video. First brand we are going to talk with this one, Maybelline. I received this Maybelline New York Fit Me SPF 50. So this product is actually makeup plus skincare hybrid with natural coverage, soft matte look with instant radiance. So this product I have actually used right now and I feel it's really nice. Like it really gives a good coverage, so you can definitely check out. This is Maybelline New York Fit Me Fresh Tint SPF 50. So I've received a lot of them actually, and I'm so happy because I'm surely gonna use this, and it is makeup plus skincare, so that's like a crazy nice product. So next one we move forward to the lipstick, which is Liquid Matte Maybelline New York, and the shade's name is Red Serenade. So even this lipstick which I'm wearing right now is this one, and I really liked it. As you can see, it's a pretty good one. I really loved it. Want it. It's this one. So I have 3 of these and I'm pretty sure I'm going to finish them. Next product we are going to talk about is Charmacy Milano. I've received one product from Charmacy Milano and I'm so excited for this one because it is the mascara. You might have tried this. I never tried it and I was pretty excited to try it. So this is Power Lash Mascara by Charmacy Milano. It comes like this and oh my god, really looks so amazing. So you have this one. Okay, so it looks so great. I mean, I love the packaging of the product. It's definitely amazing. Okay, so this has 2 sections, which is first is this part. Okay, so we are just going to follow these. So first we're going to prime, which is like this. Right now I haven't used anything on my eyelashes, as you can see. Now I'm going to use this. So we're going to prime. I guess this is a primer for eyelashes. As you can see, this is the result, and now we are going to use the second part, which has lashes. So it looks like this. So I'm going to use this right now. Okay, wow, it gives you using the primer, you can use the fake, you can use the lashes, and oh my god, can you see the result? Oh my god, it's amazing. I totally love it. Okay, so this is the result. I definitely love this product and I'm going to use it. If you want to check out, this is by Charmacy Milano. There's Power Lash Mascara. Really like the Power Lash Mascara. It's really looking nice. So moving forward, we're going to talk about Aqualogica. They have given Glow Plus Hydra Gel Moisturizer, which I'm excited to try. It's so cute. Oh my god, just look at this. It's in yellow and orange. Aquagela Hydra Gel Moisturizer, Papaya and Vitamin C, Brighten plus Hydrate. It's so cute. Let's just open this. Wow. Oh my god, it tastes so much like rasna. Like, I'm not kidding, but oh my god, this is the gel moisturizer, as you can see, and I can't wait to try it. Sorry, it really smells amazing and it's really nice. I'm going to try this from tomorrow itself. Convinced me. Glow Plus Hydra Gel, and this is by Aqualogica. Moving forward, we have two products from Mamaearth, which is Beetroot Gentle Face Wash. I've heard about this, never tried, so I'm going to try this one. It's a Beetroot Gentle Face Wash with beetroot and hyaluronic acid for hydrated pink glow. Made safe, soap free, suits all skin types. So if you want to try, if you're a Mamaearth fan, you can definitely try it. Also, they have given a soft matte lipstick. I've never tried lipstick from Mamaearth, which is exciting. So this shade is, let me just read it. This is Woody Rose. You can see this one is the shade. It's red plus brown kind of thing. It is this one. If you like this, you can definitely go for this one. I really like it. I'll definitely try this. Okay, so the next product, we move on to Biotique Advanced Ayurveda has given few products, and this is a cute bag which they gave us, and they have Biotique Advanced Sunshield Sandalwood Sunscreen Ultra Protective Lotion, which is for all skin types, water resistance, Ayurvedic recipe, 100% botanical extracts. This looks promising. I really I've used Biotique products and I really like it, so I'm definitely going to use this sunscreen, which is 50 plus SPF. If you want to try, you can surely try this out. Plus they have given a small version of sunscreen. Okay, so I have like two sunscreens. This one is mcaffeine, which is detan and oil control coffee sunscreen. Okay, which is Sunfix SPF 50. I'm definitely going to try this out also. This is advanced UV damage repair with antioxidant rich caffeine, which is for all skin types. So if you want, you can definitely try this. We have Dr. Reddy's Venusia. They have sent a cute bag in which there is Venusia Sun Tint, which is Velvet Touch Sunscreen Gel. This lightens sun and brown spots, helps to improve skin tone, ensures healthy, visibly youthful and radiant skin. I'm excited for this because this SPA 115. Okay, I'm definitely going to try this out. It's this one. Okay, so moving forward, we have Foxtale Vitamin C Brightening Serum. I've heard about Foxtale and I really want to try their products. This is Vitamin C Brightening Serum. So cute. I love when brands have like cute packaging or cute bottles. This is like you can press here on. Okay, it's really nice and cute. Okay, so this is Foxtale See For Yourself Vitamin C Brightening Serum. Visibly reduces dark spot, balances uneven skin tone for all skin types. I'm going to definitely try this and let you guys know the results. I'm going to make a video where I actually try out this products, where I have already tried out this products, and I'll let you guys know which really works. So this is Vitamin C Serum. If you want to try. Moving forward with Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel. Okay, this is, okay, wait, okay, this one, and it is water gel. They have sent a cute packet. It looks really cute and I'm definitely going to try this out. After this, we have L'Oreal. We have L'Oreal Paris New Revita Lift Crystal Micro Essence for bright and crystal clear skin. So it's the serum and I definitely going penetrates deeply into skin layers. Salicylic acid, this one, and I'm really looking forward to it. It's by L'Oreal and I'm going to try it. This is the product. After that, we have Sugar. Sugar has gave a cute little package which has a pouch in it which really looks good. It's a golden sugar pouch for all the products and skincare. I really like it. It's really cute. Okay, moving forward to next brand. A lipstick by Streetwear Lip to Last Matte Liquid Lipstick is this one. It's in shade Moody Nude. I feel it's pink. Yeah, it looks really nice. Definitely going to try this shade, Lip to Last. And we have by Nutriglow Naturals Advanced Pro Formula Wine Facial Kit. This is something I've heard for first time and which is for all skin types. So they have packets which are these. So this is Advanced Pro Formula Wine Facial Kit. So there is like 6 steps of packages. First is cleanser, scrub, gel, cream, mask and serum. If you want to try this out, you can definitely check them out. It looks amazing and I can't wait to try them out. It's by Nutriglow Naturals Advanced Pro Formula Wine Facial Kit. This one. After that, we have lipstick by Lakme Absolute, which is, I feel it's in nude color. 3D matte lipstick. The shade is Nude Bay, which is this one. Really amazing. This is the shade. Wow, it smells like chocolate. It's really nice. It's by Lakme Nude. It's by Lakme. Shade name is Nude Bay 16. If you want to check this out, you can definitely check this out. We have Okay, why did I forget this? Okay, there is a Minimalist bag. I love Minimalist, and they have sent few products. I love the packaging of Minimalist. It's so minimal. I love it. This is the body lotion. So we have liquid fluid SPF 50 face sunscreen. Definitely going to use this one. We have this cleanser by Minimalist. It's so cute. It's definitely cute. This is the moisturizer with oat extract, amino acids, nourishes and soothes skin for sensitive skin. So it's their moisturizer. Okay, still Minimalist. We are almost done. We have L'Oreal Paris Extraordinary Steam Mask. This one. Smooth, deep nourished steam mask with precious transformative essential oils. Salon-like nourishment in 5 minutes. So there are steps given. You can definitely try out. This is pretty amazing. I'm going to try this one. And the last product is Hair Fix Stick Anti-Frizz Gel Applicator with Biotique. This is by Arata. I've never used this, so I'm really happy to receive all those products, so I can definitely use this. This is Hair Fix Stick, suitable for all hair types, light and non-sticky, long lasting hold. This is definitely something I'm going to try. This is for anti-frizz gel. This is anti-frizz gel. If you're looking forward to it, you can definitely try. That's it for this video. I have covered all the products which I've received, and I'm very thankful to receive all these products from brands, and I'm definitely going to try this out. Started using half of these products, and it is really amazing, and I can't wait to try everything out, and I'm surely going to mention the best products which I felt into upcoming videos. So stay updated with my videos, and if you guys really love unboxing brands packages, you can definitely let me know in comments if you want similar videos, and I'll make it. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.